Hello friends. Actually, നമുക്ക് ഇന്ന് ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട കോഡ് എന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ക്രിയേറ്റ് എ മെനു ഡ്രിവൺ പ്രോഗ്രാം ടു ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് എ സിംഗിൾ ലിങ്ക് ലിസ്റ്റ് with insertion, deletion, searching and traversal operations. It's a big program, lot of functions are there. So ഇതിനെ ഒരു സിംഗിൾ വീഡിയോ ആയിട്ട് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ വീഡിയോസ് ആക്കാനാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. സോ സ്മോൾ ടൈപ്സ് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ വി ഹാവ് ടു ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് എ ലിങ്ക് ലിസ്റ്റ് ആണ് എനിക്ക് ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. So what I have to do to implement a linked list? So a linked list, it's a collection of nodes. So we have to create a nodes. How to create the nodes? Okay, I have already written the code. We will take that code and I will explain the lines. Okay, so I want to create. I will come in this line. Okay, so let's start. So I have created. I want to create the nodes. So in C program we will be creating the node like this node. I will create a structure, struct node. Then inside the node, if it's single linked list, it will have a single node will be there. So that's a node type. It's pointing to the node self. Then inside the node it can have a value. Okay. So whenever we are creating a structure, we can either use if we are creating a structure student, it will be created like the struct student. Then we will be creating the variables int roll number, character name, like that. So whenever you want to use this structure, you have to create the structure variable like the struct student p. It is created like this. So if you want to again create another variable, we want to again write struct student q. So if I want to avoid the struct here, what I will use is I will rename this as using this typedef keyboard. Typedef. So typedef is used to rename this. So I want to rename the structure as student. So what's the advantage is that so I can write like this. Okay, the same concept I am using here. I have used the node renamed this struct as node. So instead of structure we can use a node. That's the use of typedef. So that's the first thing. So I have created the node. In this way we will be creating the node. Okay, so what I want to do is I want initially I should be able to create the node. Next thing is for a linked list there will be a header node will be there. So I want to create the header node. Okay, or a header node is a node which contains the address of the first node. So for that I am going to create a function called create head. Create head is a function for creating the head node. Okay, so how to create the head node? So it is also a node. So I am type of the node, type of the variable is node itself. So I want to return the address of that node. So I am creating a pointer. So I created the pointer. Okay, now I want to allocate memory for that. For that I will be using malloc function. Malloc is a function for creating dynamic memory. Malloc size of node is been created. Okay, then in this head link nodes, that's a normal node only. Head is also a normal node. Only thing is the data part of the that node will be empty, and initially the link part is also null. Okay, so then it returns the head. But this function is for just creating a head node. Okay, so if you want to use malloc, you have to include what is here, I think. So we will include these two lines. So inside this std_lib.h itself we have this malloc function. So I am including that. Okay, so in this way create node is there. Next thing is I want to create the nodes. Whenever I need it to create a node, I will be creating that node also. So node is same as the head, only difference is that the link part is not set as null. So this is the node. So whenever user want to create a node, he will be just calling this function. This function will create a node, and the memory will be allocated, and that address will be returned. So this is the concept. So first of all, we will be this is the basic requirements for creating a linked list. So we need to create the node using the structure, and we will be calling these functions to create nodes and heads. Okay. So what I'm going to do is we want to implement linked list. So in linked list, you know, different operations are there. Insert first, insert last, like that. Lot of options are there. So we'll go through the algorithm first. So this is a linked list. So this is a linked list. Data part is there and link part is also there. So I want to implement a insert first. So this is a node. So insert first. So in this algorithm I'm going to implement. So in this algorithm we will be passing the head and the values. User will be passing this head and values. Okay. Then whenever user want to create a node, he will be calling the create node function. Then the node's data part will be assigned to the value. If the head link is null, I told you that whenever we are creating the head, initially the head link will be null. So head link is, if the head link is null, then what we do is head link equal to new node. We will set head link equal to new node, and new node link become null. So that's if the list is empty, we will be executing this line. And if the list is not empty, then what we will do is new node link equal to head link, then head link equal to new node. The same code I am going to implement in C. Okay, so we'll see that code. So I want to implement insert first. So just copy that code. So we have the create node is ready. Now just want to implement. So the same algorithm, the only thing is I insert first. So I'm passing the head and the data. Whatever I described in the algorithm, the same thing is I copied. So I have called the create node. Node is been created. Node value is equal to data. Then if I'm checking if head link equal to null, then what we will do is that head link equal to new node link equal to null. Else we will be calling new node link equal to head link equal to new node. Okay, so this is a simple code for insert first. Okay, so after insert first I just want to display the content, so I'm just copying that code also. So we will be displaying the content. I want to display the content. So I want to display the content. It's very simple. Just initially current is a normal variable which contain the first node address, and it will be checked the first node is not equal to null. Then we will be printing the value, and this current will be moved to the next node. In this way it will be repeating. So we have written two functions. So we will check whether these two codes are working. So we will take the main also now. Okay, so this is the old code. So we need the main. Okay. So I want to no need of calling all these things. Array is not needed. Okay. So this so I want initially the user have to create the head. He want to create a node star head. Then he want to create the head. So he will be calling the function create head. Create head is been called. So what happens is that it will execute this line, this code, create head will be executed, and memory will be allocated somewhere. So after that, so head is ready. So you have the choice again. So already we have implemented the choice. This code actually I want to repeat it again and again. So what I will do is I will put a loop, infinite loop here, while one. The whole code I will put inside this loop. So choice will be entered, and different choices are there. We will edit all these lines. Just want to edit all these lines. Don't want to repeat the code. So what I'm assuming is that we have done the first program. We are moving to second program. First program was searching. So we have the searching program with us, and we are just modifying whatever items that we have. We can use in the first program for the second program itself. So I want to repeat this code again and again. The switch case should be asked again and again. So I will be putting inside the while loop. Okay. So this is the switch case. Switch case is there, and inside this while loop. So enter the choice. One is insert first. Insert first is one. Insert first is one, and second one is display. So I want to call the display function also. Display function is also there. So choice will be entered. If choice 1 is there, I want to call insert first. So if you want to call insert first, you need to enter some values. Look at the insert first function. If you want to call the insert first, you need data. Okay, head we already have. So instead of that, we need data also. So what we will do is we will in the case one is insert first. I will ask the user printf enter the value. So I will be using scanf, and inside that percentage d is there, and then handoff data. Okay, so I have to create the data variable now. So data is being created, and data is being ready. So I have the data scan. So now I can call the function insert first. So inside that I have to pass the head and the data. Head and data is being passed. So I have created the function insert first ready. Insert first is ready. So insert first will work, and we will be able to insert one element. So second choice was display. I just want to display the content. So I will be calling the function display. And the head is being passed. And it will display the content. Again, x is 0, so always we already defined. So this is a linked list code. We'll save it. We'll try to compile it. Okay. So gcc linked list.c compiled. Ch is not declared. I will declare ch. ch is being declared. And then go to the code again. Compiled. Executed. So we have the choice of insert for one for insert first. So I will be entering some value 12 is being inserted. So whichever 12 is inserted, 12 is inserted there. So I want to insert one more element, 13. Again I want to display. So 13 is inserted the front side. So in this way we can implement the linked list. This is the insert first code. Remaining code we will do in the. We will continue this program. Thank you.